Hi, Michael Dresdner here, and today we'll demonstrate the GluBoost masking systems. First, we'll use the GluBoost Endpoint Mark Mask System to create a border to keep our fill and finish within the damaged areas. Then we'll use GluBoost MasterShield to protect the surrounding surface while we sand. Use the GluBoost Endpoint Perimeter Marker to protect the area around an irregular damage. Then, fill the damage with fill and finish. For straight cracks or scratches, lay down a border of the repositionable vinyl tape close to the edges of the area you're filling. Use it either alone or in combination with the perimeter marker. Fill your repairs or voids with GluBoost Fill and Finish, then cure them with a shot of glue dry. Now it's time to sand our repair, so we'll protect the area around it with tough, sanding-resistant GluBoost MasterShield. Again, get it as close to the edges of the repair as possible, piecing the border if you must, since this tape is not flexible. Whether you sand with a machine or by hand, the tape will protect the surrounding finish. As before, you'll have a clean surface with no adhesive residue. Brush off any errant sanding dust, and the area around your sanded repair is completely undamaged.